Hi guys, I'm here today with this large VCK pedestal fan. It's a very interesting fan from the construction, the design, and also some super special feature which I'm going to show you. So I'm going to show you how to assemble and then how to use. By the way, of course, we get also an instructions manual, but the manual does not describe everything, so I'm going to show you here a little bit more in this video. So we have the fan itself, we have the base, and we have two different pole possibilities. So first is the long pole. I think this is what most people are using. This is solid metal. So if you're going to use that in your living room or office, usually you're going to use this one. So we have to remove the bottom here. What's really nice is that it comes also with the tool. So we screw it fully out. We have the thread here inside, but of course we have same thing here as well. But this is plastic. So this is what most people then mount between the socket and the fan. But here in this video we are going to use this one here. But the installation is exactly the same, no matter if you're using the long pole or the short pole. And so this is from underneath. So this is not the bottom. This is actually the bottom. What we see, it doesn't have any kind of soft rubber feet. So we will have to apply our own protection if needed. I mean, it's plastic, it doesn't scratch anything. But if you want to have some soft rubber feet, you have to stick something on it. So we are starting from underneath, pushing this through here, and then we are taking the side with the thread. Here we have the side without the thread. Here it is with this thread, so we are putting it down and screw it inside here. Of course, the best thing to fully secure is with this tool, which is integrated, so we cannot remove it after that. It will stay like that, but you can see it is not scratching the floor. It is recessed here inside. It's not much recessed, but it is recessed, so you can see it's not scratching here. And on the top we have this screw here. We release it a little bit and then put the top over the pole, and then it's already finished. And now we have this desktop fan instead of a large fan. This is also a really nice option. And so let's plug it in here. We only need 2 prong outlet. And so we have mouse control already here, but of course we have also the remote control with more options. Especially here we have the silent mode and we have the intelligent mode, and we also have the lock, which I think we don't have here. So we pull out the battery protection to the side, but you can see we can turn it on. These are touch buttons. You just have to touch them very lightly. So I've pointed it now to the side so the wind doesn't hit the microphone, so you can understand me better, so you can see how far this goes. And then it comes slowly back towards me. So of course I'm cutting this thing out in between, but you can see it's about a 90 degrees angle. So it's moving left and right. But what we also have is the up and down oscillation, a very interesting function. So you can see we can even combine 2 of them, both like left and right and up and down. So it's going even straight up. Now you can see totally up to the ceiling and now coming back. And at the same time, it's moving to the left side again. I've never seen that before. Absolutely awesome idea. I think this is phenomenal. Yeah, I think one of the greatest innovations regarding fans. I've never seen that before. So I stopped the vertical oscillation. Now you can see it's off and we still have the left-right oscillation. So I'll stop this as well. So you can see we can decrease the speed down to 1. And now it's super quiet. You definitely could sleep right next to this fan, absolutely no problem. It has even turned off the light, so this would be perfect for a bedroom. So I'm showing you more options here from the remote control. So we have the child lock here, you can see here on the side. Now it's locked. Nobody can do anything here. I mean, it will beep, but it won't change anything. If you don't like the beeping, you can unlock it here and then deactivate the audio. So it will also show this here. We can lock it too. And now we can't do anything here because it's locked, and we can't hear anything because it's silent. Absolutely perfect. But I unlock it here again. because I want to show you some other things. We also have a timer here, so we can increase the hours here with the plus and decrease the hours with the minus. By the way, the maximum hours are 24 hours. After that, it will stop anyway. By the way, the oscillation is also very quiet. That's also something which is important. I mean, it's not as silent as the fan itself, but I would say for an oscillation, it's very smooth and not too loud. And so, of course, we can also increase the speed also here up to level 31. I think we cannot just hold it. Maybe we can keep holding it here. Yeah, we can keep holding here. And so it's increasing the speed to, I think, level 31, almost stepless. And I can tell you it's really, really super strong. You can see that here. This thing is really flying now. And it's still not super loud. This is amazing. When we want to reduce it to 1, we can go even higher, and then it will go directly to the 1. So it has an absolutely enormous power, but it's still very quiet. It's fantastic. I think for the size, it has the most power which I've ever seen, and it still stays pretty quiet, even on the highest setting. And then we have even a smart mode, which we can add here. Then we see the AI, and it's depending on the temperature. When the temperature is rather low, it will be on low speed, and when the temperature goes higher, it will automatically increase the speed. With the M button, we can also adjust the speed a little bit faster, because it would take a little bit of long time to adjust here. You have to really hold really long from the lowest to medium and then to high. And for this reason, we have the M button. So you can see we can go to just down to 1 with one press. With the next M press goes into medium 16. With the next press goes into highest 32. And when we press again, it will go to the AI, which is the smart mode. So absolutely fantastic. Everything works really, really great. I'm literally blown away by the functionality and quality and everything. So I can highly recommend it. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.